Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from India to the United States using Google Pay. Well, sending money through Google Pay is pretty straightforward. All we have to do is open our Google Pay app, and of course, we'll need to add a payment method, whether it's a card or something else. Now, in Google Pay, what we're going to do is look for a contact, okay? And tap the Pay button, which usually appears in the corner, a button that says Pay. Here you can see it says Pay, so we'll tap there. Then it will directly ask us how we want to send this money, through which platform. Here we have two options, or you might see more. Just keep in mind that several options could appear. Here we see we have Wise or Western Union, and we'll choose whichever we find most useful. Okay, Wise will open up here as you can see, and it will ask us to choose how much we want to send and how much the other person will receive. That's it. And well, that's all there is to it. It's really simple to do, and I hope this video helps you. If you liked it, please comment and subscribe.